back to my channel. What?
Sorry.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a slime video for you guys. Summer is almost over, and I kind of promised I kind of promised Zoe that I would do a slime video with her on my channel because she doesn't have her own channel. And I finally just caved and we went to Aldi. I was grocery shopping and we found this Nickelodeon slime kit, and it comes with 5 different types of slime on here. So we're gonna attempt to try to make this and see what happens. I've never done slime. It's not really my forte, but Zoe's always watching videos about it and she wants to do it. And we have Zara here. She's gonna try to participate as long as she can. So let's just jump straight into it. Before we go, please click down below and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you like this type of video, give it a thumbs up if you want to see more like kid-like friendly videos on my channel. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe down below. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. It comes with, I guess, the ingredients to make 5 different slimes. So there's a glitter, a neon, a glow, a scented, and a foam slime. So we can make all 5. I don't know how far we're gonna get into this kit, so we're gonna start with 1 and then we're gonna go from there. So I think that's it. Oh, that's just trash. Okay, so let's go ahead and toss that to the side. So when you open the box, it comes with like the instructions, but it comes with all the ingredients or the things you need to make the slime. So it has like paint and a spoon with little popsicle sticks. It comes with, I have no idea what this little white thing in this cup is. It's probably like glue or something.
This is the
it has some cups, the little foam things, which I'm pretty sure goes right here. Some lids for the cups, some what's this, glitter?
Yeah, glitter.
A bowl of Zara, and then it comes with, let's move that. Here, you hold that because Zara's gone. It comes with some slime glue. I thought you just used regular glue for this. Yeah. It comes with some white slime glue. And it comes with, what is this? Some slime activator. I thought you just used like alcohol and glue, but apparently they have more technical things. So let's move that because Zara's going to tear it up. These are that is not yours. Hold on, we haven't gotten that far. Here are the instructions. Getting started. Directions for the white slime glue. Which one are we doing, Zoe? You want to do the glow? For the glow one, we need the clear slime glue. What do you want? You want the whole thing? Here, you can just hold that for now. Okay, making your slime glow in the dark. To make the slime glow in the dark, hold it up to the light. When the lights turn off, it will glow in the dark.
You need a mix.
You can't open it. Here, you can see that. We're going to use the clear glue, so we need to measure 15 milliliters of the clear glue using the supplied measuring cup. Pour it into the bowl, scrape down the walls of the cup as much as glue as possible. So we need the bowl and we need the measuring cup. I have no idea what this is. So okay, so we need that. Measure out to be a water room temperature. I'm trying to see like, no, because like there's a certain one for the glow one. There, you can't color the glow one. Okay, so first we need to do 15 of the clear.
And I have a mixing spoon.
Let's open this. It doesn't smell like anything.
Of course, it shouldn't. It does.
Okay, so we have to measure. We only need 1 bowl.
I knew you needed the water.
That goes in there, so you can go ahead and scrape that in there.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Make sure you get it all.
Okay.
Okay, are you not gonna act right? Huh?
It should be all out.
Hush. Okay, so we need 25 ml of water. Okay.
Where that is.
Okay, and then we need a spoonful of the glow colorant, which I think it's this. I mean, because it looks like it would be
glowing. Yeah, because the other colors shouldn't be
That smells like glue. But okay.
Okay.
So.
Here. Let's scoop it on.
Wait. I need the bowl. Zara, don't touch.
No touch.
Okay.
Ooh, now we mix it. Don't we?
Okay. Then you can go ahead and stir with the slime stick.
Oh,
So get a stick. Mix it all together. Mix. And then while you mix, we need to add 5 ml of slime activator.
It's just slime.
Now we gotta do this.
With the spoon or no?
But we gotta be careful with this because this stuff it says do not get in your eyes or anything. So I'm going to pour it slowly while you mix with the stick. Hold on, Minnie. You don't need to stir yet. You stir when I'm like pouring. You ready? You gotta start stirring. Keep stirring. Oh look, stir.
It's getting a little hard.
Keep stirring. So here you can see that. Continue stirring. It says continue until the solution is absorbed into the, I guess, the slime. Oh. Okay, so once you do that, once it's fully absorbed, then you can take it out and knead it. So basically just stretch it around and then we can put it in our container. Let's see, let me see.
It's so stretchy.
Is it? It is. So now it's ready for you to
play?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ew, it's sticking to my fingers. Right?
I know, it's sticky. I didn't know we were gonna make this one. It's like sticky.
You know it's not gonna glow right now, right? Because it's not nighttime. You gotta stretch it around first. I don't think it's. Is this supposed to be this sticky? I thought it's supposed to just come out the bowl, like, you know. And it's like sticking to everything.
Oh my god.
You gotta stretch it around in your hand. Here. Yeah, the more you like stretch it, I guess the better it gets. Work it. Oh, no, not on the watch. Oh!
No, it's on the wall.
Oh my god! Zoe, you gotta be over the table. This is not a good idea, guys. This was not. This is like literally melting. Put it in this clear thing. Put it in the clear thing.
We should have kept on stirring.
We did. We stirred it and it was good.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna roll it.
Yeah, me too. That's what she did.
Just roll it and let it drip into the... This is horrible. Are we ever gonna get this off? Well, we already used the clear glue. Let's use the white glue. So let's do one of these.
This one, the crunchy.
Okay. Wait, maybe we used the wrong thing because there's a scented slime. So what's supposed to be scented? Let's try this again. Round 2. Okay.
This is where the glitter goes in there.
Okay, so we need the 15 of the white glue.
This must be like the stretchy slime.
Here's
the crunch stuff.
I don't think so. We did it right.
This is the crunch stuff.
Okay. Then we're gonna do 30 of the water. So it doesn't go to 30, so you gotta do 25 and then do 5. Okay. And then add a half a bag of the crunchy crunch. The balls. The foam balls.
And here's some color.
Ooh, Lord.
I know, it's gonna get, you're gonna need to mix it. Oh my gosh, Mommy, that's so much.
A spoonful of the colorant. So Zoe chose pink.
I love pink.
Zara's looking like, what is happening?
Say,
what's happening?
I know.
Okay, and then mix. What are you eating? What's in your mouth?
Those beads. Oh, it's turning all the way pink. This is not going to turn out.
Zara's eating the balls. Keep going. You gotta mix it really well. That's what I'm saying. Let me mix it. 5 of the activation.
Okay.
Slowly pour. This time I'm gonna do the slowly pour and mix all at the same time because I don't know what you did wrong last time. Zara.
You want me to pour it?
Nope.
Oh no, it's getting nutty. Oh no. Keep on mixing.
I am.
Okay. The glitter.
Until it's fully dissolved. After all the absorption, the slime will go in here. Look, there it goes. Look.
It sounds good than this
Yes. Y'all hear that?
one. Yeah.
Oh, it's hard to mix now. You want to try? I'm not putting this in my hands this time.
Oh no, no.
She said, oh no, no. You gotta put it in your hands. Come on, your hands out. Up over the table. Now squish it around. Work it, knead it. Yeah, see how that one's. Yeah, we're not doing no more. This is it. This is getting everywhere. Okay, this was not as bad as the other one.
Oh no.
Oh my god! No, Zara! No, Zara! This is like not a good one. See, it's like when you stop like being aggressive with it, that's when it starts. Zara! I'm gonna roll it and then drop it. Okay, are you ready? It's because it's hot. That's why. When it gets warm in your hands, that's what makes it all droopy. Alright guys, so that was our attempt at this slime video. Please let me know if you try this with your kids at home. Me personally, I don't like it because it's super messy. But yeah, you want to open it? But this kit was only $4.99 at Aldi, so it was definitely worth the price. But next time I think we'll try the DIY version. Let me know how you guys feel about this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye bye.